Hello everyone, welcome to numerical series of electrical machine, and today our numerical problem is of 50 kVA 450 Hz 3-phase star connected alternator has effective resistance of 0.25 ohm per phase. The synchronous reactance is 3.2 ohm per phase and the leakage reactance is 0.5 ohm per phase. Determine it rated load and unity power factor. Internal EMF EA, no load E0, and percentage regulation on full load. First of all, rated load is 50 kVA, so 50 into 10 to the power 3 VA. VL equal to 440, so you can find VP VL upon root 3, then you can get 254, and we know I equal to S upon root 3 into VL, so we can get 65.6 ampere, and R is 0.25, X is 3.2, XL 0.5, and cos phi is 1. So internal EMF per phase EA root under V plus IA I RA whole square plus IXL whole square. Then put the value of all this, we can get 272 volt, and line value of internal EMF EA equal to root 3. Above we have find phase, and then we have to find line, then multiply by root 3, that we can get 471. No load EMF per phase root under V plus IAR square plus IXL IXS square. Put the value of all these, we can get 342, and we have to find the line voltage, so multiply by root 3, we can get 593 volt. And last one is regulation. Regulation is 593 minus 440, this minus 440 already given in the question. Line voltage equal to 440, this 440, then we can get 34.6 percentage.